How to delete add-ons on PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete add-ons on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you have a certain game and that game has different add-ons and plugins, such as there could be the Ultimate Edition, there could be Ronaldo Edition, there could be Messi Edition. Depending upon whatever you play over here, there could be different sort of editions of those games. And if you want to delete the individual add-ons for some reason, maybe you don't like it, you can see even if I click the options button next to that game, we don't have the option to actually go ahead and then delete that individual add-on. So unfortunately right now it is not possible to individually remove an add-on once it has been installed. So to remove an add-on, you will need to uninstall the full game and then reinstall it without the add-on. So that's the only way to go. Just click the options button, uninstall the full game, and after you uninstall the full game you have to reinstall it without those add-ons, and after that only you should be able to play that game. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.